Hello, Victor here from Crewe, and I'm delighted to present this Tesla Model 3 long-range dual-motor finishing glacier white. This all-electric saloon combines futuristic technology with exhilarating performance. Powered by dual electric motors, this Tesla produces 346 PS, delivering instant acceleration and all-wheel drive capability. With impressive range of up to 374 miles, it's designed to take you further with confidence, while its rapid charging capability ensures you can get back on the road quickly. At the front, the LED headlights and fog lights provide excellent visibility, while Aero optimized 18-inch alloy wheels contribute to its efficiency and dynamic performance. At the back, the Tesla Model 3 features sleek body color bumper, LED taillights and subtle leaf spoiler to enhance aerodynamic efficiency. Charging the car from 10 to 80% using Tesla Supercharger takes approximately 25 minutes, making long-distance travel more convenient. The Model 3 offers spacious rear boot, providing ample room for everyday storage. Additionally, Tesla's innovative front Frunk adds extra luggage space, making it ideal for longer journeys. Both storage compartments can be accessed effortlessly via controls on the central touchscreen, offering unparalleled convenience. Passengers in the back are treated to heated seats, ensuring supreme comfort in all conditions, and the rear tinted glass enhances privacy while reducing glare, and the premium 14-speaker audio system creates immersive listening experience. The front cabin boasts a futuristic and minimalist feel, with vegan-friendly leather 12-way power-adjustable heated seats, ambient interior lighting and premium audio system. The electrically adjustable steering column and custom driver profiles ensure tailored driving position for every journey. The absence of the traditional dials is replaced by all-encompassing 15-inch central touchscreen, providing real-time vehicle status, navigation, and all of the entertainment. The Tesla boasts one of the most advanced systems, featuring 2-zone climate control, ensuring optimal cabin comfort, as well as full vehicle controls, allowing adjustments to steering, suspension, and climate setting, dynamic driving modes, adapting performance to suit your needs. You can also view charging status and efficiency monitoring, keeping you informed at all times, while the Autopilot functions offer semi-autonomous driving for enhanced safety. The ambient lighting and seat adjustments are customizable through the touchscreen too, and live navigation with satellite imagery ensures seamless route planning. The long list of entertainment features includes, but is not limited to, Spotify, Amazon Alexa, Tesla Arcade, and in-car internet browsing. The driver will also benefit from 360-degree cameras, providing unparalleled view of your surroundings. This has been a presentation of Tesla Model 3 long-range dual motor, now available at Motor Crewe. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.